Guys, how you doing? In this video, we're going to check out my new charger. So it's a Profit Sport Quad, and it does 4 times 100 watt AC DC input, and it's by Dynamite. Now this can charge 4 batteries at the same time, just like my old charger, but this one's getting a bit tired now. I mean, when I start charging with this, you can smell it, it stinks. And it's been stinking for a while now, and it's starting to cut out a lot. I keep saying input voltage error, so I think this thing's on its way out. But it's done me well for a few years now. This one's by eTronics, but I'd no longer make it. Still got to sort this X-Max out. Ah, what a mess. Anyway, let's have a look what's going on in here. We've got instructions. So at a first glance, it looks really well made. It's all made of metal. It's got a decent bit of weight to it. And the good thing is with this, it's got a power supply built in, so we can just plug it directly into the wall. Or we can also feed it with 12 volts. So we've got 2 banks on this side, and we've got another 2 banks on this side. We've got our 4 buttons on each one. So it's pretty much, I'm guessing it's going to be pretty much standard operation to any other charger. So it comes with a mains power lead. It comes with all these different charge leads here. And I don't know why it only comes with 3 of these. I mean, I would have thought there's supposed to be 4 in there. Yeah, so looking at the picture, it only does come with 3 of them. That's pretty weird. I don't know, why wouldn't they chuck in 4? It's got 4 banks. So why it only comes with 3 of these, I don't know. So let's set this thing up then. So I have XT90s on all of my connectors, and these don't come with it, so I've had to buy these separately. So I've got my own balance board here, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug that into the 4th outlet. So it comes with some other charge leads. So we've got a couple of EC3s, we've got a couple of Deans, and we've got one of these receiver ports. And this is probably the only one I'm ever going to use. I don't use Deans, I don't use any of the other stuff. Just noticed, guys, this balance board here is not any good for me. This is one of the 3 that came included, and this is not for a JST type adapter. And by the way, this balance port that comes on most LiPos is what's referred to as a JST. This one here is like for Thunder Power batteries, and why the hell they use a different connector, I don't know. But, I don't want that. So I've got to put my own one on there. Alright, should be good to go. Alright, let's just see how it works then. Gonna try it out on one of my new Fluorion batteries. Alright, so program select, LiPo. Looks a little bit different in here than normally. We've got LiPo, balance charged, 3S. I'm going to try it on full amps. Alright, so 10 amps, balance charge, 3-cell LiPo. And we're charging. But by the looks of it, it's topped out at 8.5 amps. We can see what voltage is in each cell along here. So the reason that's not going to 10 amps is because it's 100 watt per channel. And to do 10 amps on a 3-cell LiPo would probably need some more watts. So if you want to charge like a 2S LiPo, that would probably do it at 10 amps. Now guys, you can't charge all LiPos at maximum capacity. Normally, it will tell you on the battery what the charge rate can be. In the case of this, it doesn't tell us. You should assume you should not charge at any more than a 1C. And the 1C on this, because this is a 5500, you shouldn't really charge this any more than 5.5 amps. That's if you're doing it properly. But me being me, I just want to get this thing done as quickly as possible, so I want to crank up the ampage. And by the way, if you're going to get all health and safety, you shouldn't be charging these things indoors. You want to put this into a LiPo charging sack. So this is by no means a tutorial video. It's not a how-to video. It's just a quick review of this product. So just out of curiosity, I want to see how quickly it's going to put batteries into storage mode. So storage, 3S, and I want to do it as quickly as possible. I'm not sure how many amps it's going to let us do it at. The storage charge can sometimes take ages. So it's got a 5 amp limit here. So let's see how long this thing is going to take. Alright, done. So does that mean that this is, storage voltage. So let's try that again on a battery that is fully charged. Right, so this battery here is fully charged, as you can see. Well, almost fully charged. So it's actually discharging at a 0.8 amp. That's still going to take a while, guys. So yeah, if you're going to discharge, you're probably better off running it in your vehicle. That's going to take a little while. By the way, as I said, guys, this is not an in-depth review. And I've just figured out, actually, that here we got this C. You're supposed to put in here the capacity of the LiPo. And I think that's more of a safety thing, so if the thing starts overcharging for whatever reason, it's not going to put any more in than what you put here. So make sure that you fully read the instructions on this thing, guys. Go through the instructions. You know, LiPos are nothing to be messed with, really. All the instructions that you see on there in the batteries and in the charger, make sure that you fully read them all. Because, you know, I know a lot of products, they sort of put all these health and safety warnings on things just for the hell of it. But with the case of these things, guys, make sure you read them. All the health and safety stuff on this is actually true. You know, when these batteries can catch fire and the outcome can be bad, and if that catches fire in your house, guys, that can be game over. You can't really put the fire out. The amount of smoke that comes off of these things, guys, it's unreal. So make sure you read the instructions. This video is not a guide, it's just a quick review of what you get when you buy this charger. So far, guys, that looks really, really good. It looks really promising. The storage rate, the discharge, a little bit on the slow side, but they pretty much all are. But so far, guys, the charger looks really good, really well made. I can charge at higher amps. I should be able to charge more batteries in a quicker time frame. So, guys, that's all I've got for this video so far. I might do another video on this in a few months' time when I've used it a bit longer to see how good it actually is. So, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon. Bye.